Hello everyone. Let's begin with the second level of sixth week. Sixth week I will show you the difficult one. Let's see the 9 number. 56, 5, 6, 56. Then 36, 3 here, now 6 here. To make plus 6 plus 10 minus 4. To make minus 4 minus 5 plus 1. Then minus 91. Minus 9 we can do and minus 1. Simple. There is no formula required. Okay. So my answer is only 1. Now let's see here 18 number. 87. 87. 65 plus 6 equals plus 10 minus 4. To make minus 4 minus 5 plus 1. Then 5 here. Now this is the difficult one. How to do plus 5? First think what is my formula. Plus 5 equals plus 10 minus 5. I can do minus 5. But how to do plus 10? So plus 10 equals plus 50 minus 40 then minus 5. Now minus 29 minus 2 minus 5 plus 3 and minus 9. Minus 9 equals minus 10 plus 1. So my answer is 1, 2, 3. Let's see any difficult one. See the 20 number on page number 23. 74. Then 39 plus 3 equals plus 10 minus 7. Then 9 plus 10 minus 1. Now minus 9. To make minus 9, minus 10 plus 1 and then 5. So my answer is 109. Now in 6th week you have to write down the 7th table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, like this. Okay, thank you.